Hi guys, welcome back to our newest software. In this video we're going to show you how you can use our latest software, SmartResto Pro. This is the latest and most advanced restaurant and cafeteria shops and fast food restaurant management system that exists in the market yet. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, we will first log into our system. Great, as you can see, the UI is fully responsive. You can choose between dark and light modes. We can change any theme. Okay, the theme or the dark theming will affect all the pages available in the system. Okay, I prefer using the white theme. Okay, these are the main shortcuts. Okay, first let's start showcasing the features by going to the POS screen. Okay, as you can see in here we have the main items menu. Okay, we can filter by groups like these pizzas, drinks. The system is in French, but you can use it in any language. It does support French, Arabic and English. Okay, these are section of categories of items. We can choose between items that are in discount, items that are combo. Okay, it's a set of multi items, vegan items, or we can show all items. Okay, we can add directly. We can add an item directly from here. We can update it or modify its variation or properties. Okay, we can choose if it is in promo or no. We can choose if it's a combo item. Okay, a combo item, as we said before, we can create a new, let's say, we are not going to create it here, but we can say Black Friday combo. Okay, this Black Friday combo, what is it? Essentially, it's a combination of multi items. Okay, it's a combination of, let's say, a double XL, two double XL pizzas, one Coke, let's say one Coke. Okay, and then we're gonna define, it will normally be $1,800, but in our case we will give it another discount. Okay, so from here, as we said, we can introduce, create or update any items. Okay, we can update the item variation. We have multiple tabs, as you can see. Let's take it step by step. Here we have the food groups, the branch, the name of the item, is it active or not, is it combo or not. Normally the item by default comes like this. The default price is active. We can select has properties. We can create new properties. Okay, like supplement, like sauces. We can create new supplements. We can create new variation. Check when I click has variation, the default price will be disabled, and we will have the option to select the variation to this item. Okay, let's give a price to this variation, 500 from our currency. Let's give it another variation. Okay, and 450. Okay, we will check afterward these two variation, 500 and 450. Okay, let's save the item. Okay, when I click on the pizzas, we will find the 500 and 450 variation. Okay, we can select the variation. We can select the sauces. When adding properties, let's go check the properties. Okay, the property can have a price or can be free. Okay, for instance, hot sauce or any type of sauce can be free, and supplements like cheese, mozzarella can be paid. Okay, we in the newest update we added something very interesting, which is some properties can be affected by the size of the item. Let's say, for instance, the pizza in 3XL or double XL will cost 250. In this instance, cheddar in double XL will cost 200 and 3XL will cost 250. Let's go check it. Okay, when I select the pizza, okay, when I select the pizza in 3XL, it will cost 250. Double XL will cost 200. Okay, let's go with the 250. If the customer wants to double the quantity of the supplement, it will double it for 250. It will give us 500. It will calculate it automatically. He wants ketchup sauce. Okay, he wants to take 2 from this pizza napolitana. Okay, let's save it. Okay, it will be added automatically here. We can resize the screen as we want. Next, what we can do, we can update it. Obviously, we can choose to make it a takeaway. Okay, we can choose to change the quantity. We can choose to change the quantity of the supplement. Okay, we can add another item, 3XL takeaway, cheddar. Actually, let's choose 2. We can choose to send a kitchen message to not do. This is to do and to not do. Okay, if the customers wants to avoid putting French fries, we can select what to not do. Okay, let's select tomato and fried. Okay, French fries. Okay, let's select. Let's select some beverage. Okay, let's go with the selector. Okay, we can choose to delete it. Obviously, we can select it again. Okay, we have a shortcut for this quantity. If we want to avoid opening this screen each and every time, you can just select the 2. It will display the variable value is 2. We can select on the item. Let's say this item. It will change to the quantity clicked. Let's say 3. Let's click in here. It will change to 3. Okay, let's say 2 again. Well, it's 2 again. Say 3. It's 3 again. Okay, let's go for tables. We have the table system. In this example, no table is affected to this order. Okay, we can select the tables from here. We can select the waiter from here. We can select the customer from here, and we can obviously select table. Table 1, 3, 4 are available. Let's click on select. The select button will filter it only the available tables, so we can select one of them. We will select table 1. Next, we will see that table 1 is selected in this order. If you check again, we will find that table 1 is not available anymore. Okay, let's transfer this table. Okay, we will click on transfer table. Then only the tables that are available will be shown. As we did before, table 1 and 2 are not available, so it will only display table 3 and 4. We will select table 3. The table has changed. Okay, if we check again, table 1 and 4 will be available. Table 2 and 3, we just transferred the order from table 1 to table 3, are being available. Okay, let's do, if we want to open the content of any table, we just click on the table. Okay, without clicking select or merge or any of the transformers from here. Okay, if we want to merge any table, we click on merge, we click on the parent table, then the child table, then we click merge again. Okay, it will notify us that table 4 is merged with table 1. So we will have table 1 and the list of merged table with this table. Okay, if we click merge, then click table 1, then click merge, it will unmerge the selected table. Okay, we can use the visual editor. The visual editor is more advanced. We can choose and manage our table positioning. Okay, we can re-click on this item after we've made changes. Okay, if we want to arrange a certain way, we can do it freely from here. Okay, these features available in this view item or view display are the same in here. Any one of you can have its own choice. It's up to you. Okay, we can choose to discount. Applying a discount, we will reduce that extra 640 from the amount. Okay, we can choose to print. Okay, let me link or plug the printer. Okay, we can choose to preview the customer receipt. Okay, the customer receipt will have this amazing, beautifully organized receipt containing the table number, the waiter, the number of guests, the admin or the user who made this order, this gradient or gray title, followed by the quantity of the supplements, okay, and the total amount of discount, and the due, which is the 700. Okay, we can choose to print it. Okay, it's printed successfully. We can do the same for the kitchen. Okay, we can display the full content. Okay, we can choose to print. Okay, as you can see, for the clarity purpose, we avoided to overcharge the amount of details in the kitchen receipt, because he don't need to have the prices and the other extra details that the customer usually do. Okay, so it's far less overcomplicated for the kitchen. Okay, we can also send or confirm. Let's say, let's take a look first at the kitchen orders. The last order is number 12. Okay, let's send these. Let's accept it. Okay, let's send this order to the kitchen. Okay, what this behavior did is to print the receipt directly in the kitchen printer. Okay, if we check again now, we will see a new order has been sent to the kitchen. Okay, now if you click, we will see the pizza napolitana 3XL, double and triple mozzarella tacos, and the beverage, which is the Fanta Canad 33. Okay, these are the do not, so these are the kitchen messages we've sent before. Okay, as you can see, the items that are being taken away, or the client chose to take away, will be colored in a certain way. This color can be changed easily. From here we can go settings, and choose the color we want. Okay, let's say this. Well, let's change the hour. Okay, gray blue, this color, which is gray blue. Okay, when we see now the color of the arrow or area which is being taken will be gray. Okay, the kitchen chef will choose to accept all the order, or he can select specific items, which means that this one is not available in the kitchen anymore. So he has the choice to prepare it, then click on it and accept it, or accept everything from the start. We can click ready, and the process is shown up here. Okay, we can also click certain item which will be delivered first, and then we can follow the remaining item to its ordinary order. Okay, next we will follow our order. Let's click on table 3, which contains our 7,000 order. We can choose to hold the order, we can choose to cancel it, or we can choose to make it delivery. Here we select the delivery man, the phone, and the address, or we can choose directly to pay. Okay, let's say he gave us this monetary screen can be changed. We can change the image and give the value to the image. Okay, in our country these are the monetary symbols and its value. So the customer gave us 9,000. Okay, 9,000. We will return to him 2,000. We will pay, then click ticket. Okay, then we will check if the table is not available anymore. Yes, it's successfully delivered or available. Okay, next what we want to do, or let's make it to the video part 2. So this is all for this video. See you in the next video.